Today I'm going to quickly show you how to change the cabin air filter in your third gen Tacoma. If you don't already know, it's located in the glove box. Let's get started. The cabin air filter is often overlooked, but should really be changed about every 15,000 miles. Go ahead and open your glove box. And in the back of the glove box, you'll see this little door. You're gonna take this door and you're gonna grab this little lip, pull up until it pops. Then the door will just open towards you. So, with that out of the way, you're gonna go ahead and grab these two little tabs and release them on each side. And then this door will come out of the way, and then you can see your filter. Then your filter simply slides towards you. If you have a paper filter and it's dirty, go ahead and put the new one in. If you have a K&N like mine, you're gonna need to clean it and recharge it. When you put it back in, make sure it goes in the right direction. Once you have a clean air filter, go ahead and slide it in. Reattach this piece. Then take this and lock it back in place. Now you're done replacing the cabin air filter. Go ahead and put everything back in your glove box and call it a day.